How you doing, birdie? Chirp, chirp, birdie, birdie. Come here. I can't reach you. Somebody's in the house. Wait. We got a squirrel? What's in there? Somebody's in your cage eating something. There was a bird in here. This is Chirp Chirp Birdie's cage. That's why there's no food in here. Other birds are eating. Come here. Come here, Birdie Birdie. Come on. Come here. Birdie Birdie. Come on. Did you eat anything? I'm going to let you out the window today. You can go out and find friends. Come on. Chirp Chirp Birdie Birdie. Come here. You're a wild bird. Come on, Birdie Birdie. Here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. I can't reach you. Here, if you want me to give you some cheese. There we go. Let's see if I could give you some cheese. Cheese, Birdie Birdie. There we go. There's one. You get to leave this today. I'm going to let you go. I'm going to let you go, Birdie Birdie.